Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to find refurbished items on eBay. So firstly, open eBay application on your device, and then in the searching bar search for the item you're looking for example, refurbished iPhone, for example. And here, what's important that you need to use filters. Filters are located in the upper left corner of your screen, and here you need to set the condition. So you can see refurbished, excellent condition, very good, and good. Simply mark it. Yes. What else? You need to check for the description of the item. To check whether the item has been refurbished by the seller or manufacturer, and what else? You need to check the seller's ratings. So open the description of the product, and here you see the username of the seller, and here you see the rating. So positive feedback 99.2%. It's very good rating. So yeah, that's how you can find refurbished items on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.